students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is chapter number 6, safety and first aid. So in this chapter you are going to learn some important points. So that is you are learning objectives. So what are the learning objectives of this lesson? What you are going to learn after this lesson, that we'll see first. So you are going to learn safety on the road. Okay. So first learning objective, safety on the road. Second, safety from fire. Third, first aid when burns, animal bites, sprains and fractures. Next, first aid box. What things should be there in your first aid box? So these are the learning objectives of this lesson. Now we'll start our lesson. Safety and first aid. Actually, what is the meaning of safety? So to keep our bodies safe. Yes. So there are some situations in that we get the problems. For example, now see, to lead a safe life, it is important to follow the certain rules, especially on the road, avoid the accidents. To keep our bodies safe, to live or to lead the life, to lead a safe life, we have to follow some rules, especially on the road, to avoid the accidents. Do you know why accident takes place? Sometimes we ignore some rules which supposed to follow on the road, and that is why the person get the problem, or sometime he gives the dash to the someone, or someone give dash to him and he gets the problem. So to avoid these accidents, problems, we have to follow some rules. Okay, and what are the rules? So we'll see one by one now. Next, at home also we have to be careful while using the fire or electrical appliances. Sometime at home also we have to take care, because sometime while using the fire or electrical appliances we may get the shock. Yes or no? And that also creates the problem. So to avoid the shock or fire, we can take some precautions at home also. Next thing, however, accident occurs even though we are careful, and at times because of negligence also. See, everyone knows, okay, accident will take place, but after accident also there are some people, they ignore these things, and ignorance means ignore these things, and again they do the same mistakes again and again, and sometimes they lose their life also. So here are the some safety rules are given here. So we see first safety on road. So how to take care okay, our health, or how to protect from the injuries. Now we see traffic rules are made for the safety of commuters on the road. Commuters means here travelers who travels from one place to another. Yes or no? So that there are some traffic rules we have to follow on the road, but people are in the haste to reach their destination. Haste means they are in hurry. Okay, to reach their destination. Early morning they get up and they move some intention or some are in too much hurry to reach their office or to reach their destination, and during these sometimes they break the traffic rules and result in the accidents. Okay, so they don't follow the traffic rules, and sometimes they give dash, or sometimes the accidents takes place and they lose their life also. So this we have to avoid, because our life is so precious. We cannot get again and again this again and again life. Yes, or no, students? Well, so that is why we have to take care our life, as well as we have to take care of all organs of our body which are very important for us. Now we will see the safety rules for pedestrians. Pedestrians means who walk on the street. Okay. So safety rules for pedestrians. Pedestrians means who walk on the street or road. So always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Those are pedestrians. Those are walking on the road. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Wherever zebra crossing, you know that white marks are there. So that is called the zebra crossing. So you can cross the road wherever zebra crossing is there. Okay, you miss who? Pedestrian. Cross the road when it is green light for the pedestrians. So three types lights are there: green, yellow, red. So whenever you see the green light, means who now? Pedestrian. Cross the road when it is green light for pedestrians. Those are pedestrians. You see the green light and then only you can cross the road. Next one, if there is a foot over bridge, then take the bridge to cross the road, because there can be heavy traffic on the road. Some in big cities especially, the bridges are there over the road. Sometimes road is too busy with the traffic, so we can follow the overbridge to go or to cross the road. Okay, students. Next, at places where there is no zebra crossing, look right, then left, and again right to cross the road. If there is no zebra crossing, so at that time you can see your left side, right side, and then you can move forward. Next, if you are walking and there is no footpath for pedestrian, then keep to your left. Okay, so these are the some rules we have to follow on the road. Okay, students. Now next we will see about the safety rules for vehicles drivers. Safety rules for vehicles driver. Those are riding vehicles. Okay, to them we call the drivers. Yes or no? So whatever the drivers are there, vehicles drivers, they must follow these rules. So what are the rules? Always follow the traffic signals. Whatever the drivers are there, they must follow the traffic signal. Now traffic signals means what? So these are the traffic signals. Yes or no? And they have to follow this traffic signal, and this signal gives the information about the way. Okay. Do not speed up if the traffic light is yellow. Gradually slow down and stop at the red light. Then next, do not jump the red light. Means if red light is there, so don't ride the bike. Okay. Don't ignore that red light and don't ride the bike, whatever vehicle or bike. Then do not overtake from the left side. Whatever the rules are there, these rules you have to follow. Do not overtake from the left side. Always you can overtake from right side. Next, follow the speed limit on the road. Whatever the speed limit is there, that speed limit you have to follow on the road. To whom these rules are there? Especially vehicle drivers. Give way to the ambulance coming from the behind, because always ambulance carry the critical patient. Okay, so always give the side to the ambulance who is coming from behind. And these are the traffic signals. This signal shows no entry, means we cannot go there. This signal shows the left turn prohibited. Gently curve right ahead. So these are the signals. This blue color signals compulsory keep right. Then this shows the U-turn prohibited. So these are the signals, students. So this picture already is given in your textbooks. Okay, students. So today's your homework. You can see all these pictures and read about the information. What this picture indicates. Okay, so you will get the information of some common traffic signals. So these are the traffic signals, and especially the vehicle drivers, or it may be two-wheelers. Okay, sometime two-wheelers are also riding. So these signals we have to follow on the road. I hope you understood the rules. Okay, remaining part we see in our next video.